Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today we're looking at Shamrock.com. This website offers a wealth of resources, including a blog, tools, and community forum, all focused on enhancing your Rome research experience. They've compiled a collection of useful extensions, custom CSS snippets, and workflows to customize and supercharge your Rome graph. The site functions as a central hub for Rome enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner just starting out with Rome or a seasoned pro looking to refine your workflow, Shamrock has something to offer. Their resources cater to a wide range of user needs, from simple tweaks to complex configurations. One of the standout features of Shamrock is its commitment to community. The forum provides a platform for users to share their tips, ask questions, and collaborate on projects. This vibrant community fosters a collaborative learning environment where individuals can help each other maximize the potential of Rome research. The collective knowledge and experience shared within this community is invaluable. The blog section offers articles and tutorials covering various aspects of Rome, ranging from basic navigation and note-taking techniques to advanced features like smart blocks and custom CSS. These articles are well written and easy to understand, making them accessible to users of all skill levels. They often delve into specific use cases and offer practical examples to illustrate the concepts being discussed. Shamrock also curates a collection of tools and extensions that can significantly enhance your Rome experience. These tools are designed to streamline workflows, improve productivity, and add new functionalities to Rome. From integration with other services to advanced filtering and search capabilities, these tools can help you tailor Rome to your specific needs. The site provides clear instructions and documentation for each tool, ensuring easy installation and usage. In conclusion, Shamrock.com serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to expand their knowledge and mastery of Rome research. The combination of insightful blog posts, a supportive community forum, and curated tools makes it an indispensable hub for the Rome community. It's a testament to the power of community-driven learning and a fantastic example of how users can collaborate to enhance a powerful tool like Rome research. Be sure to check out Shamrock.com and explore the wealth of resources they offer.